Friends, running Kimono here. So today's video, we are going to talk about some paper deals over at the Dollar General for this Saturday the 15th. If you've been living under a rock, well, there's new reports everywhere. It's always bad news. 15% increase in the next year on paper products, and this is across the board for many different, everybody from Scott to P&G. So this is the sort of information that we put in our back pocket and we create a larger stockpile of paper goods because we're couponers and it's what we do. So this deal is going to be centered on digitals with paper deals. Some of you might think that the balances are a little bit much, but if you're trying to build a little war chest of papers, it will make perfect sense. Okay, so deal number one is 100% digital. All digital coupons are of a one-time use. You're going to need this Cornerstone, which is a 5 off of 25. So please make sure you have this guy loaded to your store card for this deal. Okay, guys. So for the Scott deals of Scott Cottonelle Kleenex Viva, the savings for instant savings used to be 3 off of 15. And now it's jumped up to $4 off of 20. This is instant savings that happens at the cash register. You don't have to load any digital coupons, but they've kind of changed things a little bit on us, just to note that. Okay, so for this deal, we're going to be grabbing one of the Scott's toilet paper, at least one of them. There is no digital coupon, but coupons.com has a $1 rebate, so that's why we're getting this. If Scott is your absolute favorite, you can grab 2 of these and then 2 of the Cottonelles. You can juggle it around, but you're going to need at least one of these. And then we're also going to grab 3 of the Cottonelle toilet papers at $5 a pop. Okay, guys, so this is the one digital coupon that we have for the toilet paper, which is $1 off. And as you can see, $4 of instant savings when you're spending $20. If you scan the Scott in, that same message will pop up. And I believe there's also dollar coupons in this weekend's insert. If you might be able to get your hands on it before Saturday, you can utilize those with this deal. Okay, now over on the coupons.com app, there's a very generous $1 back when you buy 1 Cottonelle and 1 Scott. Now, you can't use manufacturers in concert with this app, but 2 of these items don't have coupons for, so you should probably be okay to submit to get your $1 back for each product. Final item that we're grabbing at the store is 2 of these Febreze plugs. It could be any scent you want. If you want the Downy, if you want whatever one, it does not have to be this Gain one. They're $5 each, so that's $10 for both. And we still have this really generous 5 off of 2 digital coupon. So at the very least, you can use it if you can't find the Gain ones, but you want to throw this into a basket. Yeah, it's a really smart thing to do. Okay, so looking at the math here, 3 Cottonelles at $5 each, that's 15. 1 Scott is $5. So the total right there is 20. Remember, we have $4 of instant savings that will come off at checkout. So the new total for your basket is $16. We have 2 Febreze oil, those little refills, $5 each, so that's 10. The new total right here, guys, is 26. As the cashier is scanning all of your stuff, that's when you punch in your phone number. When he or she presses the final pay button, 5 off of 25 is coming off, along with $6 of digitals, the $1 for the Cottonelle and the 5 off of 2 for the Febreze. You're left with paying $15 out of pocket plus your tax. Then you're going to make a $2 submission to coupons.com, $1 for the Scott, $1 for the Cottonelle, $13 for the 6, or $2.16 per product. And let's not forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. Kimberly-Clark, which is Scott Cottonelle, that's part of their catalog. You should get back some extra points for this purchase. Okay, guys, deal number 2. We're going to go through the mechanics of this one. You need this guy loaded, which is the 5 off of 25 for Saturday, the 15th only. Now, we're going to do somewhat the same deal as the last one with the paper to get at least $16 worth after the $4 of instant savings. Here it is, and this is the new thing over there. So just be very mindful that the worm has turned some new rules over there. And we're going to need this $1 digital for the Cottonelle. And then also go over to your coupons.com account and please activate these 2, the $1 back for the Cottonelle and the $1 back for the Scott. Both excellent rebates, and 2 of the items we don't have coupons for, so it should be no problem to apply for those. We're also going to grab 2 of the Charmin if you have the same digitals as I. If not, you can grab 1 Charmin and 1 Bounty, because there's both dollar coupons for both in the Dollar General app. So what we're going to go with for this is the Charmin Essential, this guy for $5. We're just trying to do a deal with a lot of paper products, but this guy is like $5 on the nose. Lots of people love this toilet paper too. And then over on my app, when I typed in Charmin, I have 2 digital coupons that are attaching to this toilet paper. So how fabulous is that? They're good till the end of the month. And that's $1 off each. So looking at the math for this one, 3 of the Cottonelles is $15, 1 Scott is $5, so that's $20 right there. We have $4 of instant savings. So the total now is $16. Let's throw in 2 of the Charmin Basics for $5. So the new total now is $26. So as the cashier's scanning everything, that's when I punch in my phone number. The instant savings will take place. When the cashier presses the pay button, the 5 off of 25 along with $3 in digital coupons, not much, but hey, it's something. You're paying $18 plus tax, and then you're going to submit that dollar rebate times 2 for the coupons.com app for both the Scott and the Cottonelle, making it $16 for 6 or $2.66 per paper product, which is a really good price point. And photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. You will get back some extra points for both the purchase of Scott and Cottonelle. Okay guys, final deal that I have again is 100% digital, and you're going to need this guy, which is the 5 off of 25, so please make sure you have it loaded for this little dealio. And again, we're going to get that same ragtag of paper products, so 3 Cottonelles and 1 Scott, so add that to your basket. And we have the 1 digital coupon, so you need this loaded for the Cottonelle. And then we're on coupons.com. We have the dollar rebate for the Cottonelle and the dollar rebate for the Scott. And then we're going to grab 2 of these laundry products. They're 2 for $8. We have a 4 off of 2 digital. Very generous one, so it basically makes one completely for free. Just to give you a peek, what does that look like? Here it is. It's a 4 off of 2. So whatever you want, just make sure that this digital coupon is attaching to the product you're grabbing. And then we're also going to grab one of these Playtex Sport. It is a 14 count for $3.50. Whenever this one shows up, I always love to stock up on this because this is a really great coupon. We have a $2 digital that's attaching to this. So like, oh my gosh. And just to give you a peek, this is the coupon. So you have, you can use it this weekend or next weekend, but a very high value coupon. Okay guys, let's take a quick peek at the mathematics. 3 of the Cottonelles at $5 each, that's $15. 1 Scott is $5, so that's a total of $20. We have $4 of instant savings, so that's $16. 16 plus 8 plus $3.50 for the Snuggle and the Playtex, that's $27.50. As the cashier's scanning everything, that's when you punch in your phone number. The 5 off of 25 is coming off, along with $7 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. So guys, you're paying $15.50 out of pocket plus your tax. Then you're going to make those $2 submissions to the coupons.com app. So the final price point for this basket is $13.50 for the 7 items, or $1.92 per product. You get a nice balance of detergent, some feminine care, and 4 things of toilet paper. Like, OMG, what a great basket. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.